Rain is falling. Rain is falling. She rushes to the front of the house 'cause her husband is bawling. She unlocks the door. He staggers in. Too drunk to drive, brought home by a friend. Baby. No wet shoes on the carpeted floor. Don't you ever talk to me like that no more. Mom, what was that sound? Are you okay? Take y'all asses back in the room and stay. Please, please, baby. I didn't mean no harm. You're just drunk and full of alarm. What? Oh, you stupid tramp. You gonna make me break a lamp. She didn't think he was the type to crush her windpipe. She cries, just let me be. I'm losing consciousness. I can barely see. With the release of his hands, she folds like a fetal, shivering and petrified as if stuck by a needle. As he's drying off, her clothes are getting damper. Kids rush out again, but are threatened, so scamper. His hands, vice grips. Now she's bruised on her cheeks, throat, and lips. She prays for her brothers, her uncles, her dad. Who can save her from this beast gone mad? Thunder and lightning shake the house to the core. All of a sudden, a knock at the door. Did somehow someone hear her calling? Outside, the rain is still falling.